I don't know why he has the entire state of Wyoming on that window.
You got excited and got scared.
Oh.
I totally effed it.
Start over. Really
Look at that. Yeah.
What happened?
That's rough. Oh.
That's insane. But this.
Oh,
not
don't. Oh my god.
What?
No, you'll literally cut yourself.
With this thing?
No, with the film.
The film will cut you?
Oh my god, I seriously.
Actually?
Oh my god, actually.
Here, look.
No, seriously, I'm not even joking.
Round 2. What do you think, Alden?
I think you need to be prepping before you assess, and he hasn't been doing that.
True.
That's not okay. You can't.
You're right.
You've been slacking here.
Oh, I need to know.
What do you think? You're just gonna get by life not doing that?
He subscribed to the Tinstitute Coaching Academy.
You guys should probably do yourself a favor and subscribe to that. Do you want to lose money year by year? No, you don't. That's why you should subscribe.
The bane of my existence right now is knowing which side is the liner.
I'm here. Okay.
Videographers all try to figure out which side the
all
liner
try to
is
figure
on.
out. I'm not even a videographer, bro.
You got it?
Just tell me which side it's on. Don't actually peel it. And also, you're crinkling the tint.
That's
You look at all the smudge you
Oh my.
got. Which side is the liner? How can I tell based on how it looks?
Well, one side's shiny and one's not.
They're both shiny.
I can tell from
This
right
side's
here.
shiny.
Austin, can you tell which one it
This
is?
side. This side is the shiny side.
You think so?
Can you, is that Tint Wiz
Wait,
Squeegee?
Tint. Is this a Tintwiz
Is
Tri-Edge
it?
hard card?
Is it? Oh my gosh.
You can get on tintwiz.com. It's already a disaster. Oh yeah, that's bad. That's bad because it's hanging over so much. Nope. I don't know what that is, and I'm frankly at this point I'm too afraid to ask.
How did...
That's a massive flaw. Yeah, that should buff out.
It'll buff out.
I go down.
I was
down?
I feel like down would be
You
easier.
want to scrape the window. So you want to hear. Ooh, that was actually not horrible. Okay, just stop. Don't cut the car.
Got it. Squeegee. Right. Squeegee out. Squeegee out. I have. Right on the outside of the Sharpie. But outside of the Sharpie. Huh? What does he mean? Wait.
Did he just... He deadass just...
Just walk away.
He just left.
I got this. Just whatever you do, just don't put another SpongeBob transition, please. Don't.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Oh, this is bad. Good. This is so good.
I can... Should I...
I love tinting.
Cue hype music for the slow-mo and cool photos of the cars.
Is he
Steamroll.
Steamroll? Final breath.
Have you cut it?
Oh, well, yeah. After I cut it, then I'll do that.
If you had
A
to-
plus.
A plus?
A plus.
You legitimately thinking A plus?
A plus.
Okay. With the sandwich.
Bad. Didn't cut all the way. I can cut far. I can cut at the bottom of the Sharpie mark.
So try and pull from that side to see.
One more blade out.
Yeah, 2 clicks, remember? 2 to 3 clicks.
Wow. You haven't had anything to drink today, have you?
That's insane. I was never good at arts and crafts.
Do we need to drug test you before you come to work? Do we need to do a sobriety check?
It's just a sobriety
What's
test.
unfortunate is, like, I assume you're talking about the waviness of the cut here, right?
Yeah, slightly.
But that doesn't matter.
That means you weren't cutting...
It kind of does. It kind of
Because you
does.
won't see it.
No, it kind of does.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know what's worse, the top cut or the bottom cut.
Oh, wow, I hadn't even looked at the top.
Look at that.
What happened to the flow?
Bro, it looks like someone took a bite out of it.
All the way across.
Yeah, about that.
Yeah.
How do I do this?
Follow the Sharpie.
So remember,
Up,
pull,
down?
is your tip sharp, away, and how many clicks do you have out?
3. Let me find out which one.
2, 3. You want to be where you're comfortable. Everybody's a little different, but it's in between 2 and 3. There you go. That was better.
Yeah, I started pushing harder at the end there when you said to. Austin's in the bathroom, and I'm not cheating.
I won't count this as cheating. Because I do kind of
Watch, you're filming, like doing it.
Oh, shoot, yeah. Let me line it up.
So I was trying to fix this, but my knife isn't sharp enough.
it's already so aft. Like literally.
Where do I snap this thing?
You're trying to clean up shit. Like you're trying to polish shit.
Giant, massive, window-shaped turd. Should I do the corners? Or I don't even know.
You should, but
Can you is another question.
It's easy, dude. I'm telling you, tinting's easy.
Good thing he's a good videographer.
I'm trying to round the corner.
You should round out this entire cut right here.
You should round out your smooth brain. And I did so many videos of this guy shrinking.
You just did one. Literally,
Also-
you just did one.
I just had an insanely difficult time with everything, but apparently shrinking is the hardest. It's the hardest thing because it's so minute.
There you go. Leave an inch on the bottom and on the back. Leave an inch on the bottom and on the back. Repeat that back to me.
An inch on the bottom and on the back.
Perfect. Beautiful. Inch on the bottom. Inch on the back. Perfect. Okay, now we're just gonna squeegee out.
Oh my god, I know this is gonna be bad. Good. It seems like I should shrink with my right hand
Yeah, don't drop the gun
and
on the
squeegee
Corvette.
with my left.
Perfect. Closer. Closer. Shake it. Shake it. No, seriously, shake it.
I'm happy with that. Honestly, I'm happy with that.
Sweet.
I will take that. That's crazy. Especially with shrinking, I thought that was gonna be a disaster. I mean, obviously it's terrible, but you know. But like the fact that it didn't break. I mean, so what? What is that? Is that?
That's a crease.
Is that too
Well,
little?
let me see.
Is that too little shrinking or too much?
Holy shit. Okay. Oh, wait.
Sorry,
Don't let the
why'd I
film
touch
come
that?
off. No, it's not. Don't let the tint come off the
Got it.
glass.
Okay,
So you have to pull it back to the. There you go. Now you're pulling the liner up to the last inch right here. No. Just leaving this inch on the bottom. Connect it. There you go.
But you're already knee deep.
All right, so I'm gonna split the liner with my thumb. I'm going to hold it with my mouth. Sit down.
There you go.
Sit down. Pull it out. I'm going to start with my middle finger over here.
Yep. Oh, that's good.
No, my pointer finger.
Yep,
Then I'm going to
yep,
switch to my middle
yep.
finger.
Yep. Ooh, you do
Look at
remember
that.
something.
Technique.
Pull it all the way off. No, go back to the liner. Whoa.
yank it,
Oh,
yank it.
sweatshirt. Ah.
Use your foot.
Oh, so good until it wasn't. Oh, good tip.
Hey, there you go.
Okay, put it on the glass. Screw it. You already effed it.
Left DNA, fingerprints, everything else.
The film talks to you.
The film talks to you?
Yeah, it talks to you. It tells you what it needs.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
If you're listening. If you speak tint, do you speak tint?
Why isn't it going down?
Just go like this and work out. There you go.
Yeah. Seems kind of dry.
It is dry. Should I spray under it?
I can see my job is safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm not going anywhere, I guess.
And I'm gonna.
So what is actually more challenging, editing or tinting?
I'll tell you once I see the tint job. Okay, I don't think this is happening. Oh, there we go. Now it slides a bit. Yeah, this is easy. This is easy. Squeegee it out.
Spray. Rubber needs lube. Your girlfriend will thank me for that. Start in the middle, so it doesn't move. Ooh, nice. Look at the sense of pride on his face.
He just doesn't want to admit that I did a perfect tint job first try.
Right.
No, I'm glad my Corvette's getting tinted. Oh. Except I won't be able to go anywhere outside the parking lot.
Okay, so what do I do with that?
Squeegee it out.
Which way?
Creasy.
Wait, I thought you said this was easy. Now you're asking me.
No, it's easy. I just don't know.
Why do you tint the upward
Yeah, no. Put it.
Hold it like this.
Hold it like that. This?
There you go. And now keep your hand close to the glass. No, close your thumb. There you go. Put your hand as close to the glass as possible. There, closer. There. Now go up. Keep your hand close to the glass. There you go. Closer to the glass. Oh God. Keep going. Okay, peel that away.
It's
Yeah, that's fine. Peel it away, pull it away.
guys, the window tinting business. See, it's all about mindset. That's not too bad. See, I knew I was a good window tinter. I don't think I have any light gaps. Do you see any light gaps here?
You see any like?
Is this is considered your top gap?
Or is that for
So
It would be good if it was, but it's not, so it won't. Oh, your back edge is not as bad as your top edge. But yeah, like another 10 years of practice, and I do think you could do it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this, we're looking for 7 and 8s. We're stoked if we get a 9. I would give this a -4. A solid -4.
Okay, what if I do this?
Then you're at a solid 0. It brings it up to a 0.
Hey, if you close the door, then the rubber will hide that gap.
You're right.
No, the rubber shows it off. It gives it a background.
Yeah, overall, easier than I expected in general. Like, oops.
Yeah.
I'd probably...
The best thing that you did
Uh-huh.
is I don't think you damaged the car.
All right.
that's what gave you the 0.
I don't think. Let's not get too excited because then I'm definitely going to find something.
Okay, Austin reviews my tint job. It seems like he likes it.
You think he likes it?
Yeah.
You missed a big chunk of the window.
That's so that you don't get pulled over. Wow.
Yeah, I think you missed some sections, Doug.
That's
Oh, don't cut yourself.
Oh yeah.
I don't think it's...
Today I found out that tint is sharp. Didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah.
Should I take it off?
Yes, please. The sooner the better.
Okay. All right. I'm going home.
No, we need you to edit.
Oh yeah, I work.